Okay, hey guys, Jeff Piarkey again at Pop and Lock out of Green Bay, Wisconsin, here at the 2024 SEMA show. This product is called the Trailer Lock Box. It is meant to fit trailer tongues or trailer rails up to six inches in width. Think about it if you're at the boat landing and you want to park your boat trailer, don't want to run the risk of losing your truck keys at the bottom of the lake. You can lock them right up into this device, set your code, go out on the water, know when you get back, your keys are safe and sound, ready for you to back your truck back in to pick up your boat. Another example, if you have a camper, you want to leave an extra set of keys with your camper so you don't drive an hour and a half to your campsite, realize you forgot the camper keys. Another great option, put your camper keys inside the trailer lockbox. It's a perfect product to mount to any sort of boat trailer, utility trailer, construction equipment. Again, it's kind of like a glorified real estate lockbox, but designed for your trailer of choice.